going to do a quick and easy half up, half down look. So first things first, I'm going to get my comb and I'm just going to section and back comb. You're going to take a section, you're going to split it into half, you're going to twist it round. As you're doing it, you want to be able to pull out a little bit just to add a little bit more texture.
To hide the hair clip, you want to pin it into the twist.
So now I'm going to match it up on the other side. So split it in half and twist. And then I'm going to go in with the 3 more inches holding spray and just finish the hair. That is your finished look.